Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I know it has been long since the last video, but I hope this one is worth the wait. This video is divided into 4 key sections. The first is what are AirPods Max? Second, what kind of build quality they offer? Third, how easy are they to use and what kind of sound quality they produce? And fourth, the main verdict. So let's begin. AirPods Max are the latest headphones introduced this month by Apple. These build upon the existing AirPods lineup and share the same workings of the other AirPods we all have come to appreciate in the past. AirPod Max consists of 9 mics in total, shared between ANC and voice pickup, 40mm custom dynamic drivers, innovative headband, and magnetic removable ear cups. Both left and right cup of the AirPods Max comprise of Apple H1 headphone chip. Apple has made a great choice of using bigger digital crown to work as controls for the headphone. They are definitely easy and practical to use when compared to hit or miss which happens with touch headphones interface we have seen since a long time now. Headphones also comprise of the noise control button which switches between ANC and transparency mode and can also be customized to switch on and off all the modes together. AirPod Max are excellent in terms of build quality. The anodized aluminum cups and the overall build quality is just amazing. They feel premium, sturdy, and offer incredible comfort. The headband innovation is truly remarkable. Even after being the heaviest headphones out there, they don't feel heavy when used for long listening sessions. This could be subjective depending on different individuals, but I'm pretty sure most of the customers will love the experience they have with these. Special mention of the Hall of Shame design of the year, which is the smart case of AirPods Max. It is called smart case, though it offers literally nothing smart about it. They are built quite well, but in terms of practicality, they are just blah. I'm not sure what they thought about this case when they were designing it, because it doesn't give any kind of extra protection for such expensive headphones, neither it helps in the standby battery saving. Coming to the ease of use and sound quality, these headphones have similar ease of use as the other AirPods products. Instant switch on thanks to optical sensor inside each ear cup. The headphones connect to the device currently playing the media. Switching to Mac or iOS devices is as easy as it sounds. What we have seen in other AirPods, it is most of the time instant. In terms of sound quality, AirPods Max sound extremely amazing. Apple was right about low distortion even at full volume and bass heavy songs. I tried any kind of songs I could throw at it and it always performed amazing. I would say these are the most balanced headphones I have ever heard. They offer tight mids, treble, bass and sub bass to complete the overall soundstage. If you love AirPods, AirPods Pro, these are just better, way better sounding headphones out there. The 40mm custom design drivers delivered with flying colors. They are extremely accurate at the kind of sound they produce. So the main verdict, what we have been waiting for. Well, AirPods Max are max sound, max build quality and max price. But it is that last point, the max price, which bothers me. No matter how good they sound, the price of $799 Canadian without tax is just pure greed from the company. To top it off, if you ever need to use them with your PlayStation console, amplifier or any kind of device which you would want to use wired, you need to shell out additional $50 Canadian to get the Lightning to 3.5mm cable. Come on Apple, stop with this greed. It is here I face the dilemma of praise them for the sound or criticize them for the price. I chose the latter and therefore I will be returning them. Maybe in future when Apple realizes that their headphones shouldn't cost as much as their latest iPhone, I will get them. But for now, this price is really bonkers for an incredible set of headphones, but still, that price will always be in your mind and you can never get over it. So that's it for this video and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I loved making it. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy.